Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by collecting what matters: the AWB or tracking ID, your phone, and the exact delivery address. Once done, open the Blue Dart app or tracking page so you can see the current hub and last mile status. Make sure to note timestamps and any station codes shown. These are the identifiers dispatch uses. Now call Blue Dart customer care with the AWB ready. Ask explicitly for the delivery segment details so you can locate the driver faster. Next, use every available channel. Check SMS and WhatsApp updates, and start a live chat in the app to create a documented request. Ask customer care to provide the local hub phone or vehicle ID. This is how you get to the delivery boy indirectly. If they won't share the number, request the hub supervisor to call you, or ask for an estimated delivery window to time your presence. Keep the AWB visible and repeat key details to reduce transfer. Finally, act when the status changes to out for delivery. Call the hub or customer care and request that the driver call you. Explain why, give a landmark, leave phone reachable, and offer a one-time redirection if needed. If the driver still cannot be reached, insist on escalation and get a complaint ID or supervisor callback. That forces a local follow-up. Troubleshooting tip: if you get no response, document timestamps and record the chat or call ID before escalating for faster resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.